This is how bees build their hive. They link their legs together and they make a little living chain of bees. These chains of bees are called festoons, and when bees are festooning like this, they're using their little bee bodies to warm up the space around them so that it's easier for them to build and repair the beeswax comb of their hive. It also makes it easier for me to scoop them up with my hands. And seeing the way that bees work together for the collective good of the colony